So, hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Travel with Nabil. So, I'm Nabil and this is Talha, my son. So, today we buy a new toy for Talha. This is not a car, this is actually a bus. So, this is a bus.
That's a
Singapore double decker bus, right?
Yeah.
This is something Singapore sightseeing bus. It's a same design of the tourist bus. So today we are going to unbox this bus for him and stay with us till the end. So look at this, guys. This is a double-decker design Singapore sightseeing bus. So it looks is so amazing already. Before opening it, I like it, like the design and the color, everything, and it's suitable for the 3 plus years, 3 years plus age of children, and it comes with 1:16 scale size. It's just same design, the original one, and it's a special edition here. So let's see how it's gonna be. Will it make sounds or some lights? Okay, Talha, are you excited?
Yes.
Do you like it?
Yeah. I want the song there.
Okay, you like it? Yeah.
Yeah, I want
Okay,
the
let's open this one.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh no. Okay, that's right. That's right. That's me.
Oh, it's already giving some sounds.
No, the
Start the engine. Okay, so then we want to ride in the bus. So open the door, please. Okay, now open the door. Okay, this one and also this one. Okay, now we can also make this cool sound. Okay, now we can start the bus.
okay, doors closing.
Doors closing. Doors are closing. Tick, 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 tick. Okay, so the Talha. Yeah. Yay!